I'm Jim Miller, Corporate Chef for Cres Cor. We're here at the Cres Cor William R. Baggett Hospitality and Conference Center. We're going to take a look at cooking with our QuikTherm ovens today, and we'll also get into some roast and hold ovens and hopefully smoking, different things down the road. But this is the first in a series of videos that we're going to do for you. Never hesitate to call if you have any questions.
We're going to take a look now about setting up the oven for hamburger patties. I like to cook those typically at 325, just not quite all the way so that they get a good well done cook to them. What we're going to do is start by turning on the power of the oven itself, and you'll see it'll run through its memory. Low temperature setting because it hasn't been turned on yet. We want to set up to cook, so we push the cook button. I'm going to turn this down to 325 and push to set, holding. It should turn up to 160, push to set, and the cooking time should take us, I'm really only going to do for display here about one pan. That should only take about 25 minutes. Alright. Push to set and start. Once we do the start, it'll preheat automatically. When it gets to 325, we'll be ready to load the oven. Now that the oven has preheated, it's gone through that preheat cycle, it says push start. So we're ready to load the oven. It's up to temperature 325. It's reminding me to load the oven. Let me close the door. Push start and we're off and cooking. Okay, so the oven now has completed its cooking process. The alarm has sounded and the oven has gone into the holding mode automatically. So let's pull out our hamburger patties. Beautiful, delicious, juicy, and nice browning.
If you see the low water switch illuminated, it's like, oops, I need to add a little bit of water to the control. That's all that means. It's not going to hurt anything. So just simply get another pitcher of water and you can add it to the water tank down below. Here we have the humidity water tank for the QuikTherm oven. Simply remove the cover. You'll see the heating element down below that'll heat the water. And there's also two float valves. Just fill it with 4 gallons of water. Replace the top. And you're ready to go. In draining to clean out the water tank in the bottom of the unit, you can slide the oven over a floor drain in the kitchen, long as one is available. If not, you can also take a 12 by 20 pan, slide it beneath the unit itself, and then do the same process. Just pull that green handle toward the front. That'll open the front drain valve, and you can get the water out of the unit for cleaning and sanitizing. Tool. We do have a guideline for you that's set up for retherming most of the normal foods that are used in every school food service operation. So you can find these online at our website at crescor.com, or simply reach out to us, send us a note, and we'd be more than happy to send you some laminated ones to put on your ovens till your people get acclimated to the oven itself. Okay, well, we just wanted to thank you for taking the time to learn a bit more about the QuikTherm oven from Cres Cor. And we will continue to do different food items and different things to help you along. If you see something that you're curious about, please get in touch with us. You can reach us on the 800 number or at the website at crescor.com. And we thank you for your patronage and all your support. Have a great day.